Behind me, we have a 2023 McLaren 720S Spider in black Amethyst Metallic. As you can tell, it has a purplish hue to the color. The customer picked up the car, he didn't like the purplish hue, so what we're doing to the car is we're wrapping the full vehicle in Suntek's altered black paint protection film, which will give the car a deep gloss black look.
So you mentioned this is paint protection film, so it's not a vinyl wrap?
No, it's not a vinyl wrap. So this is actually a dyed paint protection film that is going to protect the car and restyle it at the same time. The difference between the vinyl wrap and the paint protection film is that the paint protection film is actually 3 times thicker than the vinyl wrap and has self-healing properties.